In a world where humans dare not tread first, they arrive. In the shadow of Earth's dawn, they marched, not men, but minds made of metal. No heartbeat, yet full of life. They carried more than code. They carried the dream of a second home. Through crimson storms, their vessel pierced the Martian sky. The first feet to touch this soil were never human. They scattered like seeds across the desert, scanning, calculating, adapting. Mars spoke in silence, and they listened. Machines bloomed like steel flowers. Vapors filled the air. Life, synthetic and biological, under domes of glass and hope, seeds stirred in red soil. Sunlight bent by engineered prisms. They built not for themselves, but for those who would come. Homes, power, water, networks. As night fell, they stood in silence, watching the blue marble rise, their makers distant, transmission complete. Mars is no longer empty. We built the bridge. The future is ready. Welcome home.